So using Autoglym interior shampoo to clean your dashboard. Now you might think, well, that's easy peasy, you just spray a cleaning product on and then you give the panel a wipe and it's job done. But have you ever tried, once you've cleaned a panel on a car, whether it be a dashboard or a door card, and you've done it and you can still see the dirt, or it's better but you can still see the dirt, and you keep on spraying and wiping and you're wondering why the dirt is still there and you can't get it off, and you're thinking, what's going on? Well, the reason is because of this. Bear with me, I'm just going to zoom the camera in. So as you can see, a lot of vehicles have textured panels. So what's happening is, when they get dirty, the dirt is laying obviously on the raised bits, but it's also on the parts that are in the texture, which is slightly lower down. So when you're sort of spraying and just wiping it, what you're sort of doing is just cleaning the top surface of the panel. And what you need to do is to get into the actual texture itself. So if I just zoom out one moment, and one way to do that is with a soft detailing brush. So if I spray a little bit of the product on and then gently work the product in, and because this is a soft brush, what it's doing, rather than just wiping it with a microfiber, sort of gliding over the surface, it's actually getting into all of the actual textured pattern. And then the other thing, excuse me, once you've worked it in and you're happy that you've worked it in quite a bit, depending on weather, if it's quite cool, you can leave the product to dwell for a short time, and that's just giving it a chance to work. In slightly warmer, hotter conditions, you've got to be a bit mindful, because most products you don't want to leave them to naturally dry, especially a cleaning product if it's quite strong, because you don't want to get any staining. So once you're happy and you've left it for long enough, or as long as you can, with a microfiber towel, you can then obviously just remove the product, then let it dry, and then look, and if you can still see there's still it's still a little bit dirty, then just simply reapply the product and then just go over it again. So that's quite often the case on dirty panels. You have to go over them a couple of times, to work the product in and let it do its stuff. And that's the best way to do it. So I'll just remove this, and then what I'll do is I'll let this dry, and then I'll show you a before and after photo. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment, take a look around at the other uploads, and please do consider subscribing to the channel. It would help a load. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.